In this video, I'll be disassembling this 2018 Infiniti QX60 Xenon headlight. There are 7 T15 Torx screws connecting the body to the lens. As with most headlights, the lens is glued to the headlight. I will be cutting the lens off. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Next, I'll remove the Phillips head screws holding on the outer bezel. There are a few wire harness clips that need to be removed in order to pull the front bezel. The front bezel with the LEDs is now disconnected. All of the LEDs are held in place with T15 Torx screws. I can now remove the front LEDs. The bezel is now empty. Here's the light bar. Next, I'll remove the Phillips head screw holding in the LED controller board. Next, I'll release these clips for the LED controller board wiring harness. Next, I'm going to release this bottom outside corner projector mount. Next, I'm going to remove this plastic cover. Then I'll turn both of the 5/16 headlight adjusting bolts all the way to the left. The projector is now free from the housing. There are 3 Phillips head screws holding on the black shroud. There are 3 Phillips head screws holding the projector to the bracket. There are two Phillips head screws holding on the projector lens retainer. There are two Phillips head screws holding the projector bowl to the projector lens mount. The light is now fully disassembled. Here is the LED controller board. Here are the front LEDs. Here's the projector lens. Here's the projector lens mount and cutoff shield. Here's the projector bowl. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.